Hi, I'm Eric Radakovich, Bowser Subaru Delivery Specialist, and today I'm going to show you how to pair your phone for both Android and Apple phones to the 2025 model years. We're here today with the 2025 Forester, and I'm going to show you how to pair your phone. This is the same for all the 2025s with the big 11.6 inch screens. So you just find the phone button and hit the green button to hit yes, and you go into your settings on your phone and select Bluetooth and wait for it to search at the bottom, and it should say Forester to match the name up there. And all you have to do is hit pair and hit allow and give it about 10 seconds or so, and it'll should connect. On Apple phones it'll say Apple CarPlay, so you'll want to hit connect and then hit the green button on the screen to allow it. If you want to set it as a favorite, you can have the favorite device if you have multiple devices on the car. I'm going to say no on this one. And then give it about 5 or 10 seconds. And it will connect. Most of the 2025s have wireless Apple CarPlay now. So the way that works is that you have to have the Bluetooth on along with your Wi-Fi. You have to have both on. So what the Wi-Fi does, it connects, it says smartphone connect on here. It's a small wireless connection just to make all the information that you see on your screen, to mirror it, to show up on there. So it'll say smartphone connect on your Wi-Fi, but it won't say anything's connected, but it only shows up when you're in the car itself. So we're on the Apple CarPlay now, and this is pretty cool. It has everything on your phone that connects to it. So it'll pull up, the main thing it pulls up is your maps. So you could use Google Maps, Waze, or Apple Maps, whatever you prefer. And if you want to search somewhere, you could do it a couple different ways. The preferable way is I go on my phone and type in where I want to go first. But you could also do it on the screen. You hit search. You type in, there's a little keyboard at the top, and you type in where you want to go. So I could type in Bowser Subaru if I wanted. It pulls up all our Bowser dealerships. And we are right here in the lot now, but it'll direct me how to get there. And then I would hit the green button to go. Then if I want to play music, I can play music on different apps. I could also do it by voice. So if I wanted to, on the steering wheel, someone calls me right now, I get an answer and then hang up. If I want to call somebody, I'd press and hold this button and it pulls up Siri. I could say, go to Kennywood Park.
Getting directions to Kennywood using Google Maps.
It will start automatically after about 10 seconds, but I could hit start before that. I could do the same thing to make a phone call. If I want to make a phone call, I press and hold it, and Siri would pop up, and I could say call home or call whoever I'd like to call. This little home button down here, I call it the little iPhone home button. It switches between split screen or some of your apps on your phone. If I always hit the home button down here, this goes to the main Subaru page, and that's how I would navigate back to the radio or any other apps I want to get to. But if I ever want to get back to Apple CarPlay, just tap on Apple CarPlay and it pulls it up. Now I'm going to show you how to pair your Android phone to the car. It's slightly different than an iPhone. So you select phone and click yes. Then you're going to click on your phone settings and click on connections and then Bluetooth. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the list and you're going to select the name of the item, which is Forester. You're going to hit pair and you'll hit yes first to start Android Auto. And on the phone, you're going to hit allow and allow for contacts. And then on Android, most of them, it pops up automatically after about 5 or 10 seconds, but you have to hit continue and hit allow again. And then give it about 10 seconds and it should come up with Android Auto. And usually the first thing that comes up is the maps. And it's similar setup on the iPhone. you would just hit search and type in where you want to go. Or you could do it by voice too, the same way as you do an iPhone. Hit press and hold the voice command. Say, go to Kennywood Park.
Okay, Kennywood, here we go. By the way, next time you can also press and hold the mic button on your steering wheel to ask me anything.
And then this is the home button down here in the same corner. And you would hit that, and it would come up to all your apps and your contacts, your maps, music if you have any of that. And then if you hit home, that's the main Subaru home page. And this button shows Android Auto. Thanks for joining me in this journey on how to pair your iPhone or Android to your car. If you have any additional questions, please give me a call.